Trouble in Bounty Hunter Paradise. We got up to do our video for this week. Turned on the Bounty Hunter, didn't work. I ruled out all the simple fixes. It looks like it has to go back to Bounty Hunter for repair, and we'll kind of take you through that process step by step so you know what happens if this ever happens to you. Heading south on I-15, getting off on Bluff Street, heading north to Discount Pond. Discount Pond is owned by Derek Staley. I've known him since he was a Cub Scout. I was his Cub Master. My son was his best friend. We've always loved doing business with Derek. He's just an honest man, a great businessman, and a good friend. And so we're going to head over there. Going to Discount Pond. By the way, they have everything that I like: guitars, amplifiers, guns, rifles, tools, movies, jewelry, gold. It's the perfect place for me. Told the kids they could wait in the car and I'd go into Discount Pond to get the metal detector. They all wanted to come with. There's a lot of cool things in this store, and I think that's why they wanted to come in. I don't blame them. There's some guitars and amplifiers I want to look at. Okay, we went to Discount Pond. We're going to try out this Bounty Hunter Lonestar Pro since my Bounty Hunter Trekker 4 is broken. We're going to head over to the park and spend an hour over there and see what we can do. Metal detecting is a family activity. Emma's starting off today. I'm sure run it. We all take turns digging up treasure using the pinpointer. It's a great family activity. We have a lot of fun, and sometimes we find some pretty valuable stuff. Foil, iron. I like that.
Does it tell you what it is?
Yeah, tells you what it is.
Can I see? What is that?
It's right there. Watch.
It's foil?
Aluminum. Pop top.
That's nice. I think it's right here or something. I'm missing. I'm wondering if there's
Once again, see what happens.
Can I try to?
Okay. Still says nickel.
Can I try?
No, let me do it for this one. You can do the next one, okay?
Is this it? It's another rock.
Okay, this is still on.
Okay.
Okay, is Mom filming it?
I found it. It's a pull tab. What?
Oh, pull tab. Pull gun, pull it out.
It said it was 5 cents. Wait, is this it?
Okay, it says a quarter. It says it's right like an inch. Where's the shot? Well, let me just pull this out. What is that? Oh, here it is. Here it is. Got it.
Is that
It
all?
was a quarter, just what it said it was. That's it. Okay, that's the pull tab. Let me go back though. Yeah, that's a pull tab.
There's metal on the shoes.
See if you can find it. It's right there. See if you can find something, Emma. It says a dime. You're looking for a dime according to this.
Got it.
What is it? Oh, you got a dime. I'm loving that thing that tells you what it is.
Go back.
Aluminum. No. Aluminum. Those are all sounds that we don't like. No. Aluminum. Oh, that one's right on the surface. Ah, there it is. That was right on the surface, just dime. It said dime, so that was good.
Can I see it, Dad?
here. Here, Emma. It says a penny. It says zinc, which is a penny.
Where'd it go?
Oh, you found it already? Awesome. She found a penny. A zinky.
Ian, watch out.
That says zinc. So, hold on. Somewhere around here there's some zinc. Right here. Right here's some zinc. Find our zinkies. I see it right there.
And another.
And another. There's another one right there. How many are there?
Where?
In your hand. Right, there's another one. Oh, that's just a leaf. Okay. Okay. What did you get?
2 pennies.
2 pennies. All right.
2018 and...
Okay, let's go to another table. Wait, let me finish going around this table. Okay, now this bounty hunter, what's cool is that when you come across stuff like that, see it says 25 cents? Then you want to reach down and...
25 cents right there?
Yeah.
Can I get it?
According to this, there's 25 cents. Let's see. Just take your fingers. It's right on the surface, it says.
Here it is.
Let me see.
It's from...
Well, let me have it get away so I can figure out where... it shows a dime, too. It shows a dime right here. It's not very deep. Who's pinpointer, Ian?
Got it.
Okay, let's go down in this hole. See, let me see. Did you check the VOQ? It's on. Going too deep. It's right there.
I hate it right there.
Where'd it go? Pulled it out already. Right there. There it is right there. Check it out. That's the nickel. That's one. There should be a dime down here too. Add a penny. Now generally I've been avoiding digging here because I don't want to mess up the grass. Here, let me take that. Let me see what else.
It's still on.
And I'm going to take that thing so I can... This is where the pennies are. And a dime. Emma, Ian,
What?
bring me the pinpointer. Right there. What is it? It's a penny. It should be more than that though. It showed pennies and a dime, so I'm betting there's a dime down there too. Right here, Emma. Right here. It's right there. What's that one? Got a regular coin spill going on here. Check that out. Wait. Right there. A dime, another dime. Okay, that's it. Show Mom what you got. Well, we stopped by Discount Pawn, borrowed their Bounty Hunter Lonestar Pro because our Tracker 4 is broken. I read the instruction manual online, set it up in a minute, took it out,
Hunted for like 45 minutes, found $1 plus in coins. It found coin spills. It identified quarters and dimes and pennies really accurately. Nickels, yeah, I had trouble distinguishing between nickels and pull tabs, but I mean, that's been my problem all the time with every metal detector I've ever used. All in all, I'm very impressed. The Lonestar Pro gives you an approximate idea for depth without having to, lift and lower your coil to see how deep things are. Absolutely excellent deal. If any of you are out there looking for a great price on a bounty hunter Lonestar Pro, this one's a discount pawn. They lent it to me to try out. Thank you very much, Discount Pawn. This thing worked awesome.
We had a fun day metal detecting today with the Lonestar Pro that we got from Discount Pawn. We found some great coins, found a number of quarters, dimes, I think we found one nickel and a whole bunch of pennies. But what was neat is that we found what the detector said we were finding. It's kind of cool when the detector says there's a dime down there, and there really is. For those of you who don't know, on December 5th, we're giving away all the coins we find between July 1st and September 5th. All you have to do is subscribe to be eligible. And the best part is, if you win the coins, you don't even have to pay shipping. It's all absolutely free. We found some pretty cool things so far. There's an Indian head penny in the collection, a steel penny from World War II, and lots of other coins. Here's a picture of them right here. You can see some of the things that you might be winning.